brigade arrived. Okay, the fire brigade arrived. But it depends, apa yang tengah ongoing? The bell rang. The bell still rang when the school was burning. Boleh, not interrupted. Okay, you want to indicate a situation, two situations happening in the past. Boleh juga. Tapi it's nicer if you use this next one. Okay, use this next one, which is going to be in the simple lah pula. In the past perfect tense. I used to hate it so much back when I was in high school. I never understood it, but now I do. I'm sharing it with you. Now let's see. Sama juga, same thing. Ting, past, present, future. Okay, first and foremost, number one, you need to know that dia adalah benda yang berlaku as soon as another thing happen. So basically dia ada dua benda yang berlaku, situation number one, situation number two. That past ni dia always involving two situation kalau you perasan, because it's a different dimension, dia dekat dalam past. So of course, when you want to tell a story, you kena bagi tahu when exactly it happened. So let me share this with you. Number one, you can talk about the rules first lah kan. Share rules lah dulu. You kena tahu yang you akan guna your verb to have, tapi dalam past. What is the past tense of have? What is the past tense of has? Had. Campur dengan, sebab dia adalah perfect tense my dear, kita gunakan past participle, bukan it tapi ite. Sorry. Lepas tu dia akan jadi tambah ed. Okay? Tambah ed ataupun just change dia it jadi ite kalau irregular lah. That's it. Bukan past simple lah, tapi past participle. This one I believe many of you guys know already. If you don't, then ask me. Okay, now, any question? Tak ada question, kita terus jump into example. When do we use it? We use it when we want to talk about something, I mean two things that happen. Dua benda happen right after the other one. Okay, so for example, Firas had left when mom arrived. Or the fireman had cleared the place when we arrived. Anyone lah arrive. Okay. When mom called, tak nak lah arrive kan? Okay, nampak tak? Dia dah buat A. Dia dah buat A. This is number one. Lepas tu, dia buat B. I mean, lepas tu B terjadi. Betul. Shortly after satu dah end. Satu dah end, masuk satu lagi. Clear? Sebab tu ada had. Sebab tu orang pakai hat. Jangan takut, jangan sakit kepala. It's okay, we have time. We have 15 minutes left. No, actually less than that. We have 10 more minutes left. You can ask me. Apa yang confuse you? Cakap sekarang. Itu sahaja. Simple kan? Is it simple? Simple. Jangan takut. I'm going to ask you again. Takut tak? Takut kalau cakap. Okay, teacher kalau tulis artikel kena guna past tense or present tense? Present tense, my dear, because you're talking about facts. Means kalau tambah en kat belakang kan, dia guna macam mana? Okay, kalau guna en tu, we use it here. Nak faham lagi detail? Meh sini. Meh sini. I will share with you further. Okay, nah, jom kita tengok. Tadi ada yang tanya, apa beza past continuous dengan past perfect? Okay, past continuous is an ongoing situation in the past. Can also be interrupted in the past. Okay, itu beza dia. Tapi for your perfect tense pula, dia bukannya ongoing. Dia adalah past ataupun two past situation happening in the past. Ataupun two events, ya, two past event. Two past events happened right after one another. Right after one of the event. Let me make it simple for you. Two past events happen right after one of the event. Okay, maknanya dua benda. Yes, I will share the notes. Is it simple enough? Kalau confusing, you tell me. Tell me. Okay, ada yang tanya soalan ni, banyak ni soalan. I'm sorry if this is out of context. How can we get ideas to write? Sorry, I'm getting there. Means how you enhance your vocabulary. I'm getting there. How about review means present or past? Campur. Present ada, past ada. Kadang-kadang nak cakap pasal experience kita past. Tapi dalam cerita tu yang kita nak ceritakan present. Sebab cerita tu an ongoing punya benda kan. The book is there. You want to talk about the book. Means can we use at when there's one action happen? Can. That's a good question, Rosalie. The chocolate had been stolen yesterday. Yang itu macam mana pula? That one is in the form of passive voice. Teacher untuk review guna tense apa? Kita gunakan dalam bentuk tadi saya lupa apa yang cakap. Review present tense. Can I include the example? Can, of course. Okay, this is one of the example. Email kita guna past tense and present tense. Kalau you want to talk about something past, kalau ada future plan, cakap about future pula. Cuba bagi contoh past perfect. Okay, now. Past perfect ada dua. So, jom kita tengok. Firas had left. So, ini, okay, Firas dah pergi dah. Dah tak ada, Firas tak ada dah. And then mom call. Nampak tak dua benda yang over? Nampak tak? Dah over. Firas dah balik dah ni. Firas tak ada. Bye Firas. Dah gerak dah. Tapi kalau continuous pula, Firas was going to leave. Dah leave belum? Belum leave. Ongoing. Mak dia call. When mom call, was just about to leave. Okay? Was going off. Okay? Was going off. Was opening the door, to be more specific, was opening the door when mom called. Ting, interrupted. Faham tak? Lagi satu, yang ini tak interrupt. Yang ini dah settle, baru jadi. Clear kan? Tapi teacher kenapa pula cakap had eaten the cake? Kalau had the cake dengan had eaten the cake adalah dua benda yang berbeza. If you want to say, you selalu confused dengan had ni. Had ni dia jahat. Very straightforward with you. Dia jahat, dia confusekan kita. Okay, we have verb to have kan? Past dia adalah had. Memanglah kita gunakan dia di dalam bentuk, I'm going to use Malay ya. Kita gunakan dia dalam bentuk helping verb. Dia membantu. Kalau you nampak dia ada satu set dengan ada yang lain. Macam your tenses tadi. Kan the rule ada kat sini. Ni adalah dia punya bantuan lah. This is acting as a helping verb. Tapi dia tak semestinya helping verb, my dear. Kerana have ni adalah regular verb. Apa maksud have? Ada kan? I have a cat. Saya ada kucing. Now, I have a cat. Is present, my dear. Or I have dinner. I had dinner. Itu adalah past tense. Tapi kalau I nak cakap, I have had dinner. Ini apa? Present perfect. Kenapa present perfect? Sebab syarat present perfect kena ada have kan? Ini adalah just a regular verb yang you transform dia jadi dalam bentuk past participle daripada have tadi. Now, another example. I had dinner when Shakira tak nak call. When Shakira appeared on my front door. Intense sikit. I had dinner when Shakira appeared on my front door. Had. I had dinner. Maknanya saya dah makan. Sama juga dengan I had eaten dinner when Shakira appeared in the front door. Clear on that? Nampak tak beza dia sekarang? Sekarang dah faham tak perspektif yang berbeza? Had been. Had been macam mana pula? Aduh teacher. Had been macam mana? Had been tu sama juga. What is the verb to be? What is your verb to be? Boleh. Had boleh. Lepas ni gunakanlah had sesedap-sedapnya. Sesedap hati. Sebab boleh, you dah tahu, you know how to use it. Okay, what is your verb to be? Verb to be ni is, am, tau. Past dia adalah was, were. Now, what is the past participle? What is the past participle? Ni adalah past simple. Hai, marah ni. Been. Bukan present, my dear. Past. Been. Verb to be, been. Sama dengan eaten. Gang dengan eaten. Bukan eaten. Eaten. Okay? Present participle. Being. Nampak tak? Got it? Jom kita continue. So, ready to write a story? 3 more minutes left. Don't worry. Asalkan you faham. Now, what is the differences between read past and read present? How to pronounce it? So, read present. Okay? So, when you want to say you read a book, I read a book. I read a book. She reads a book. Now, unfortunately, okay, kita tidak bernasib baik kerana I tak, subject verb agreement untuk I tak boleh letak S dekat sebelah. That's the rule we know of. Kan? Tetapi, I read a book. The moment I pronounce it as read, sebutan dia read, dia adalah past tense. Tapi, this one, I read a book. To talk about my I here, present. Simple. Ini pun sama juga, present simple. Kerana subject verb agreement, she reads, I read. So, to answer the question, read and read, mana satu macam ni kita nak differentiate? Look at the context. I read an amazing book yesterday. So, yesterday obviously read. When you read it, automatically you say read. Past tense. Clear on that? Okay, it has been great having this lesson with all of you. But don't worry about the story. This is not just a simple showcase yang I letak dekat sini. I want you to try and check out this question over here. We have done this similar idea before. Jom kita tengok dia cakap dekat sini apa. Your teacher has asked you to write a story for a school magazine. The title must be as below, A Late Night Scare. Your story should also include a description of the encounter, apa yang terjadi pertemuan itu, and unexpected climax. Kelas kita habis pukul 12. Let me just explain this a little bit to you. And I need you to write your story from 250 to 350 words. Now you know how to write using all of the tenses and you know how to build the sentences already, gunakan basic vocabulary first, because the next ilmu free, we are going to talk about how you can transform basic sentences into vivid sentences. Apa maksud vivid? Jelas. So do you want to do that? And we are going to also talk about, not just in here, we want to talk about synonyms and amazing words that you can use. When is the next lesson? Don't forget to check out our Ilmu free timetable, as there's just so many classes that we can actually share with you. Okay, so many lessons. So I will upload everything. And before you go, I have given you some of the plot notes. So you can just follow this. Okay, you can just follow this. Nota dah diberikan. So this is something that you can try and do it. So maybe the next class we'll do show, not tell. Okay, so don't worry about it. And the next lesson is coming soon. So ask your friends to join. You can take a screenshot or you can download the answer. I'll stay here for you guys to take a screenshot. Okay. So I'd like to say thank you so much. This crowd is really fun. You guys are awesome. Everyone is awesome. Alhamdulillah, it was amazing. I cannot wait to see you guys again in our next lesson. Thank you so